Let me ask you a brutal question. Do you really think long term, or do you just worry long term while making short term moves? Because there is a difference, and it's the difference between businesses that die in 3 years and the ones that dominate their market for decades. So let's find out where you really stand. Most small business owners say they are planning for the future. They talk about scaling, they worry about competition, they panic over AI taking over, but their actions, all short term. Run a quick ad, try a trending reel, hope for a viral post. No system, no strategy, just reaction. That's not growth, that's survival. And survival is not a strategy. Because short term thinkers rent attention, long term thinkers own it. They build assets, they build systems, they build audience. Are you doing all three? So let me hit you with a quick 3 question gut check. Okay, guys? So, question number 1, are you building something that grows even while you're not working? If not, you're running in place. That's not a business, that's a treadmill. Do you actually own your audience, or are you paying Meta and Google to borrow it for about 48 hours? If you don't own the list, you don't own the future. It's simple as that. Number 3, do you show up every single week to your local market with value, insight, or presence without begging for a sale? Because the businesses that give first are the ones that people trust when it's time to buy. So, how did you do? If any of those hit a nerve, you're not alone, but you are in danger because the game is changing fast. AI is rewriting marketing. Trust is everything, and your customers are getting harder to reach, even harder to convert. You already know this. But there is a way forward, and that's where Empire Next Door comes in. We help smart service based businesses like yours build an audience asset. Yes, audience asset that grows stronger every single week. It's not theory, it's not fluff, it's a proven system we use ourselves, and now we offer it 3 different ways. Number 1, just learn it. If you or your team want to build your own local media brand, we'll teach you the exact steps. Number 2, done with you. We guide you and build it alongside you. Content, tools, everything. Number 3 is done for you. We take the whole thing off your plate and do it for your business. Either way, you stop renting attention and start owning it because attention is leverage and trust is the currency. And local media, when done right, compounds over time. If you want to stop chasing leads and start tracking them, if you want to build a brand that lives in people's heads, even when you're not running ads, if you want long term stability that no algorithm can take away, then this is your wake up call. Your business deserves more than just surviving the next quarter. It deserves to lead for the next decade. And I'm serious about that, but only if you act. So let's build your audience. Let's build your moat. Let's build your empire next door. This is Harry from Empire Next Door. Talk to you guys soon. Take care.